In this video, I'm going to explain the qualifications for the YouTube TV free trial, so you know if you're eligible to sign up. Understanding these requirements will help you avoid any issues during the process. Let's get started. To qualify for the YouTube TV free trial, you typically need to meet a few key requirements. First, you must be a new user. YouTube TV usually restricts free trials to those who haven't had an account before or haven't used the service recently. Second, you'll need a valid payment method, such as a credit or debit card, to activate the trial, even though you won't be charged until the trial ends. Third, you must live in an area where YouTube TV is available, as the service is only accessible in the United States. Finally, some promotions may have additional terms, such as requiring an activation code or being tied to a specific offer. If this video helped you understand the qualifications for the YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.